EPIC NERF Gun Fight.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the GoGo Bros. Today we are going to build a box fort out of boxes. Now let's see what we can create. Is it going to be 2 stories high or 1 story high? We're going to have a chimney or a roof. Maybe we could put a TV in there and maybe a table.
Yeah! Let's get started! Let's get started!
Hey guys, so far we have part of this box done, all taped and reinforced, and Owen's finishing the side right here. And we take the insides to make sure that they don't come apart on the outside. And just adding some trims to the sides.
That's awesome.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Next we're going to attach these boxes and see if we can make one that's something where Colson can actually stand up inside and you don't have to actually crawl into, at least for him.
So far we've done this. This is gonna be where we watch it, and this is gonna be, we're gonna put a TV right here, and this is gonna be our attic right here.
We just got the roof put on top of our box fort, and now we're gonna start cutting open some windows, and so we can get this house decorated and put some little furniture inside.
And some pictures.
What do you guys want to do inside of it, Owen? How do you want to decorate it?
I want to put some chairs inside of it, and like a couple pictures, and like a TV, and yeah.
What do you want to put inside the fort? What do you want to put inside, Bud?
I think like 2 windows.
You want to put 2 windows?
Yeah.
Do you want to guys have chairs in there? And do you guys have a skylight already right here? So you can see down in there?
Yep. So Colson doesn't burn down the house. Yep.
What do you want to put in there, Hudson?
I'm gonna put some toys in there, and then use that box over there for like a toy bin.
Cool. Okay, we just finished the whole box fort and cut windows in. Here's one. And then we have two. and 3. And then we have the 4th one right here. And then we also put in some recessed lighting. And we also have a vent right here in case we decide to put in a chimney.
Yep.
Now we're going to go inside and take a tour inside before the kids move in the furniture. This is pretty cool. We got a window right here. And we got the recessed lighting. We got the windows here. And the little flat window there.
Hi.
We're going to move the couch back over there because they're going to plan on putting the TV on this wall.
Yep, right there, Coulson. Right there. Right there.
And then we put the pool noodle like that. And we have our own little patio.
Ah, something just fell through. Come here, Coulson. Let me put the chair in. Come here. Cool.
Is that going to be your TV, Hudson? The iPad?
Yep. And where should we put it? I don't know how we're going to put it on.
Probably just lean it on the ground for now, since it would probably be too heavy for the wall. Now all 4 kids fit inside the fort. That's pretty cool, guys. Hey, buddy! Are you having fun in the fort?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes. We're just turning
Yeah?
on some TV.
Are you guys gonna turn the TV on and watch some YouTube? You guys gonna watch GoGo Bros on YouTube?
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, we just finished the fort. The kids are gonna put the furniture in, decorate the outside, and then we will get back to you and show you how it looks. Hey guys, we just finished building our box fort, and what better way to celebrate than to have a Nerf gun fight. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
We got our Mega Mastodon Nerf gun, and the kids got their smaller guns, and then we're gonna shoot the box fort. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go! And remember,
Explore, create, and discover.